Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Holmes again. It's time for Fundations, Unit 9, Week 2, Day 4. And today we're going to be putting our words in the words I use when I write book. If you don't have this book, just put it on a sheet of paper. Or if you have a different spelling dictionary, that's fine too. You need to have a pencil. And you need to have a brown crayon today, a pencil and a brown crayon. So let's begin. You may pause the video while you get your materials that you need. All right, welcome back. We're going to begin on the A page. And looking at my list of words, there are no words that begin with A. So now turn to the letter B. And we do have a word that begins with B, the word brother. Brother, that's a trick word. It's right here, brother. Trace it. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. And there are no other words that begin with the letter B, brother. Now, turn to the letter C. The first word we're going to look at is the word chapter. Chapter. I read a chapter book. When I look over here at the CH words, I have chair, children, and Christmas, but not chapter. So let's spell it chapter. CH, A-P, T-er. Chapter. Okay, chapter. And don't forget, boys and girls, we have to circle the ER because that is an R-controlled vowel. Chapter. Now let's go through and trace it. C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Notice, boys and girls, I'm not tracing the circle because I want you to be able to be sure to see the ER. Chapter. Notice also that I have done my best handwriting on this, and I hope that you will be also. Okay, the next word is the word cursive. Cursive. When you're in third grade, you'll learn how to write cursive. Now, looking over here, there's no word cursive, so C-U-R-S-I-V-E. Cursive. And let's circle the UR because it's an R-controlled vowel. And trace it. C-U-R-S-I-V-E. Cursive. And the last C word begins with the digraph CH, church. And looking here, I don't see church, so let's write it. Ch. And you would circle the UR in the middle. That's the R-controlled vowel. And trace it. C-H-U-R-C-H. If you need to pause the video to catch up, that is quite all right. All right, going on. Now the letter D. We do have a word that begins with D. It's the word dirty. I don't see dirty. Okay, so D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. And let's circle the R-controlled vowel, the I-R. And it's D-I-R-T-Y. Y. Dirty. My pants got dirty. And there are no other words that begin with D. Now, turning to the page of E words. Oh, we have one. The word Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Well, if I look over here, it starts like Earth, but it's the word ear. So Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. This is a trick word because you hear that E-A-R, ear, ear. It's not really the sound, but it's not the R sound either. E-A-R-T-H. And that's why it's a trick word. Earth. All right, and there are no other words that begin with the letter E. Turning to the letter F and looking for any words that would begin with F. And we have one, the word from. From. Oh, there it is, right there. From. F-R-O-M. From. And going on to the letter G. And there are no words that begin with G. The letter H. And we have the word have. Have. Now, have is a trick word. It's right here. Have. It's a trick word because it's a vowel consonant E word, but it does not follow the rule. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Okay, that's the last H word. And boys and girls, I just realized that I missed one of the C words. Let's go back to the letter C. Sorry about this. Go back to the letter C. And we have the word corner. I crossed the street at the corner. It's not over here. Corner. C-O-R-N-E-R. Corner. C-O-R-N-E-R. And trace over it. C-O-R-N-E-R. And I'm going to go back with my pencil. I'm going to circle the O-R and the E-R. Corner. All right, now let's go back. We were at H. And there are no more words that begin with the letter H. I. There are no words that begin with I. J. No words that begin with J. And none that begin with K. L. We have the word learn. I have to learn many things. And I don't see it here. So learn. L. E. A. R. N. L-E-A-R-N. Let's trace it. L-E-A-R-N. Now, learn is a trick word because it has that E-A-R in it, just like the word earth. Okay. Let's go to the letter M. M. And there are no words that begin with M. The letter N, there are no words that begin with N. O, no words that begin with O. P, no words that begin with P. Q, no Q words. R, oh, here's one. No, yeah. Returned. We returned home from the mall. Returned. Okay, returned. RETURN. And boys and girls, that is a base word, return. So underline return. You have an UR, and it has a suffix ED, returned. It happened in the past. So you have two words on this one, or two circled words. Okay, RETURNED. Returned. I returned my book to the library. Returned. Okay, the next word starts with S, and we have the word sturdy. Sturdy. If a chair is sturdy, it doesn't break apart when you sit on it. Sturdy. So we're going to look over here. No, it's not there. Sturdy. 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 Now we need to circle the UR because it's an R controlled vowel. And we have to circle the Y because it's a suffix. Okay. STURDY. And I just realized, boys and girls, the Y on the end of sturdy is not a suffix, but it does make the sound of E. So let's put the E sound right here. Okay? Sturdy. If a chair is sturdy, it will not break when you're under it or sitting on it. Okay, the letter T. We can move over to the letter T. And we are looking for the word termite. No, don't see it. Termite. I'm going to put it up here. TERMITE. Termite. We have to circle the ER. Termite. Okay, let's trace it. TERMITE. 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 And the next word we need is third. It starts with TH, and there are a lot of TH words. Don't see the word third. 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 Let's circle the IR and trace. THIRD. Third. The next T word is the word term. A term is like the first 9 weeks at school. We are just about to finish the second term of school, the second 9 weeks. Term. 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 Circle the ER because it's an R controlled vowel. TERM. M. Term. And that's the last of the words that begin with T. U. There are no words that begin with U or V. W. There are no words that begin with W. And no words that begin with X or Y. And there are no words that begin with Z. So we are finished with that. If you turn the page, you keep going, you will come to ordinal numbers. And the word third is right there in the ordinal numbers. So we could go ahead and trace it here as well. THIRD. So there are two different places you can look that one up. All right, that's all for today. And I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have our test over Unit 9. I'll see you then.